How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly send a USDT from your Bybit account to Binance. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple and doesn't require you any extensive crypto knowledge to actually do it. So all you guys have to do is you want to log into your Bybit account. So this could either be through the app or the website as shown here in this illustration. So to show you guys what I mean, um, this is what it looks like. Now, once you guys are here, what you want to do is you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on Assets. Now, this will show you a drop-down menu where you have two options, to deposit and to withdraw. Now, obviously, we're going to deposit because we want to send USDT to our Binance account. So when you click on deposit, what will happen is Bybit will bring up a list of all of the uh, known cryptocurrencies. And here you actually have the option, as you can see here. Let me show you. Here you have the option to actually deposit. Now, what you want to do is you want to search for Binance here in the search bar, and once you find Binance, you want to simply click on deposit and enter your wallet address, and that'd be it. It's that simple. It even goes on to say that when you click on the Bybit wallet and your Bybit wallet Web3 address, or rather, your Web3 address will be automatically filled, and you get to select the chain type and enter the amount you wish to, in this case, deposit from your Bybit to that corresponding crypto wallet. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So it's quite simple, doesn't require any rocket science. So yeah, that's how you do it. So hopefully, you guys learned something from this video on how you can send money from Bybit to Binance. And if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.